Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prereqs, Android Studio 2020, 3 or newer Java 11 and an active GitHub Copilot plan. Once those are in place, open Android Studio and go straight to plugins, search for GitHub Copilot and install it, then restart the IDE. Next, authenticate. Sign into GitHub from the IDE, grant the Copilot extension permission, and choose your organization or personal account. This gets the plugin live and ready to accept your first prompts and completions. Now you configure behavior so suggestions match Android development. Open Tools, sign into GitHub if prompted, and confirm Copilot is active. Then go to Settings, right arrow Other Settings, right arrow GitHub Copilot, and tune suggestion frequency, inline completions versus panel, and repository scopes. This reduces noise. Make sure code context length is sufficient for Kotlin or Java files, and enable multi-line completions for layouts and view model logic. Once done, invoke completion with Alt plus Enter or the Copilot shortcut, evaluate suggestions, and accept or edit them immediately. You use Copilot iteratively. Accept a suggestion, run a Gradle build, and write tests to verify behavior. If suggestions seem irrelevant, provide a clearer prompt in comments or add nearby code context so Copilot understands your intent. If problems occur, authentication failures, no suggestions, or crashes, first re-authenticate, then disable any conflicting completion plugins, and finally restart Android Studio. If that fails, invalidate caches and restart. This fixes indexing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.